use and or view at your own risk. In this video I'm going to show how I resize a hard drive partition from within Windows Vista. The reason I'm resizing this partition is to make room for another operating system. With the large size of most hard drives today, you can also use this method to make a separate partition for a data-only drive, or for whatever reason you'd like a separate drive letter on your computer. First, go to the Start button, click it, then the Control Panel, click it, if you're viewing the Control Panel by category, click System and Maintenance, then under the heading Administrative Tools, click Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions. If the control panel is set to Classic View, go to Administrative Tools, click it, then click Computer Management, once the Computer Management window becomes available, make sure Storage is expanded and click Disk Management. In this example, you'll see that disk 0 has two volumes on it, a C and a D volume. We're going to manipulate the C volume, so we'll right click it. This will bring up our dialog. You see here we'll be using the shrink volume command. You can also extend a volume, which add more room to it, or delete a volume. We're going to shrink the volume, so we'll click it. The wizard basically cuts the volume that we have now, C, which is 55.9 gigabytes, roughly in half. You can manipulate this size to any size you'd like. Remember to leave enough room on the volume you're shrinking so that it doesn't become unusable later on. You can manipulate the size you want by using the arrow keys, the mouse wheel, or just click in the dialog box and type in the desired amount. So we're going to shrink the C volume by 25 gigabytes, and the total size after we shrink it should be somewhere around 32 gigabytes, and we'll click Shrink. Now, depending on your computer, this may or may not take some time to do, so just be patient. You'll see here that it didn't take very long at all, and we now have a new volume, an unallocated volume of 24.42 gigabytes. If I was just going to make a data drive, I could simply right click it and select New Simple Volume, and that would add a new drive. I'm not going to do that because I'm installing a new operating system. This will be a dual boot system. You can see now that the C drive has been shrunk to 31.5 gigabytes. And that should just about do you. You can click out of this and exit it. And if you were installing a new operating system like me, you can now just restart your computer with the bootable OS disk in it and install it to the new unallocated volume. Thank you for watching.